Are you stuck inside home and scratching out your head to what to do in this quarantine period? Then I got you covered. I made up 5 things that you can do during this quarantine. So stay tuned. I think so all are staying safe at home and spending your valuable time with your family. Good. But we can't sit simply in our home by doing nothing. And at a psychological studies, it says that a man cannot stand or sit or sleep for rather than 5 minutes without doing anything. So we should implement in some sort of healthy activities. And in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you 5 things that you can do in this quarantine period. So let's start. If you're meeting for the first time, my name is Elbin and welcome to our channel. So subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our free videos. So the first thing that we can do in our home is that by your valuable time, you can study anything very much useful for your life. So if you're interested in computer science, like that technical stuff, then you can study some coding technologies like Python, Java. It's a great idea and a great way to study it out. I will link it up some websites to study these technologies, great programming languages if you are starting on, and it will be interesting as you go on practicing it. Without wasting your time, just get involved on something or other in learning something. I'm not saying that take your physics, maths, or math or something like that subject wise. Don't study like that. Study what you are interested in. Even though it's a music, just get involved. The second thing that you can do during this quarantine period is called as gardening. Gardening is one of the greatest ideas among the 10 things that I can say that. According to a psychological studies, it says that if you work for 12 hours and if you do 1 hour of gardening, then you can relieve the stress that you face on the 12 hour of work that you have done, and you can relieve it out like this. So just make sure that you are getting involved in gardening. The thing number 3 that you can do during this quarantine is working out. I'm not saying that go to gym and do the stumbles, but instead of that, I'm just going to be recommending 2 apps that you can do install in your phone so that you can do workout in your home itself. This is no equipment will be charged or no equipment is needed for these 2 apps which I'm going to be recommending in this video. The first one is called as home workout and the second is called as 10x. So I will be linking in the description, so check out the description section box so that you can know what are these apps are. The thing number 4 which I'm going to be recommending or suggesting in this video is called as do some craft work like this one. So my sister done this origamis, you can do something like that, but a great channel called as 5 Minutes Craft has so many craft items that you can do in your home itself. I will link it up in the description section about this channel. Great good channel for good craft works, but great enough to do that, but he's insane. Who wants to be stress relieving? I know a method called yoga. You all know it, right? But we can now practice it in home by an app called as Yoga Workout. This is sponsored by Leap Fitness. I will leave down in the description link because this app takes from beginner yoga to advanced yoga as a great base start app. So make sure that you install this app. This is totally free, but for me this video or this idea sucks. Watch the video till the end, and if you like this video, just give it a like and share one to your favorite ones and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget it about it. And for better requirements and post notification, just get the bell icon to be notified. So see you in the next video. Until then, it's me, elbinbinil, and coding off.